Hello data science addict. Today we are going to discuss about the logistic regression. Let's go into the video. Logistic regression is a statistical method that is used for binary classification. That means it's used to predict a binary outcome that may be a 1 or 0, yes or no, true or false, based on one or more independent variables. Now the question arises, why is it called logistic? It's called logistic because it utilizes the logistic function to model the probability of a binary outcome. Now, what are the key components that are associated with logistic regression? Let's check out them. Logistic regression is used when the dependent variable is categorical and binary, meaning that dependent variable means the one variable that you are trying to predict. For example, if we check out, it can be used to predict whether an email is spam or not spam, whether a patient has a disease or doesn't have a disease. It can be classified as 1 or 0 or yes or no. If we check out the figure 1, here we can see that based on the input variable, we are predicting the email is spam or not. Whereas in figure 2, we can see the decision boundaries for the logistic regression based on the threshold value 0.5. If probability of mail is greater than 0.5, then it is a spam. Or if the probability is less than 0.5, then it is not a spam email. So the threshold value is 0.5. Like in linear regression, we plot best fit line through a data point. Like that, here we plot the S-shaped curve, which is nothing but our sigmoid function. Regarding that, we'll talk about in some time. Let's first discuss about the concept through an example. For example, if you want to predict whether a mouse is obese or not based on their weight, here is a graph. As you can see, in the x-axis there are weights and in y-axis there is probabilities. If probability is greater than equal to 0.5, meaning that it's obese, and if it is less than 0.5, that means it is not. In the blue color circle, there are obese mice, and in the purple color circle, there are non-obese. And in the S-shaped line is the line that is fit to the data to predict the probability of a mouse that is obese given its weight. Now, let's see if the data points come. You can see the yellow color point in the graph where weight of mouse is quite high, and we can see in the graph also the probability of that data point is nearby 1 that the new mouse is obese. Now, let's see the second point, which is green color, and the probability of that point is not higher but slightly higher than the 0.5. Hence predicted as obese, and the last point, which is in red color, has very less weight and hence predicted as no obese. Logistic regression uses one or more independent variables to predict the probability of the binary outcome. Independent variable is also known as the features or predictors. These independent variables can be continuous or categorical. For example, age, income can be continuous. Gender, region can be categorical. The logistic function, which is also called a sigmoid function, is used to model the relationship between the independent variables and the probability of the binary outcome. It has an S-shaped curve and maps any real valued number to the value between 0 and 1, which represents a probability. So here, the logistic function can be defined as 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x. Sigmoid of x is the logistic function. X is a linear combination of the model's coefficient and input functions. It ranges between 0 and 1 based on the use case, and we can set the threshold values. In logistic regression, the model is trained to fit the best fitting coefficients A and B that maximize the likelihood of the observed data. This is typically done using techniques like maximum likelihood estimation. Once the model is trained, it can be used to make predictions. Given the values of the independent variable, the model calculates the probability of the binary outcome being 1. If this probability is greater than a certain threshold, which is usually zero point 0.5, the model predicts the outcome as 1. Otherwise, it predicts the outcome as 0. Logistic regression models are evaluated using various matrices such as accuracy, precision, recall, FN score, and ROC AUC, depending on the specific problem and requirements. Logistic regression is widely used in various fields, including healthcare, marketing, finance, and many other, where binary classification is a common task. In healthcare, for disease diagnosis, for marketing, in customer churn prediction, and for finance, for credit risk assessment. Hope you understand the concept of logistic regression. For more such video, please do subscribe Data Science Addict.